Hi, this is Gaylin. Today I'm going to show you how to get a creative border at the top of the card with custom sentiments using Unity Stamp Company's sentiment kits. I used Unity's Birds the Word, which is the June 2019 sentiment kit, and I used Blossoming Thoughts and Wishes, which is their March 2015 sentiment kit. I also used My Favorite Things Stitched Basic Edges Dynamics. I use Copic markers, which are noted in the video and on my blog. I either use Simon Says Stamp Intense Black ink, or I sometimes use Gina K Designs Jet Black Amalgam ink. Either of those work wonderfully using Copic markers or other alcohol markers. So I trimmed the sentiment and I sentiment panel, and I started adding parts of sentiments, and I just put them all together to get what I wanted. I wanted a card for 2 people. So I sort of customized what I wanted to say using the stamps I already had. And I stamped the bird twice. Before I use Copics, I always add a piece of paper in the background just so that there's no bleeding through to my craft mat. But I like to use Copic colors in layers. I usually start with the lightest color, and then I come in with a darker color, and then I come back with a lighter color. And sometimes I do this over and over just until I get the look I want. And I did the same with both of the birds. I stamped the birds twice because this card is going to be for 2 people. I just thought they look so cute together. And now I'm coming in, and I'm coming in with a darker color. And I try to use the artist's fold lines and creases that they add to the artwork for the stamps. And I kind of either come in with lighter or darker depending on where I think the shadows might be. And I just added touches of a little bit of a darker color, and I'll come in and add another lighter shade. Doing that helps the Copics blend together and makes it less harsh looking of a line. You can also do multiple times of this to get what you want. Now I'm coming in with another blue and in those same areas, just getting it so that it does blend a little bit better. This card was intended to be flat with 2 birds on one panel, but I decided I wanted the birds to pop up a little bit more, so I ended up cutting the birds out. But I mean, that's the beauty of crafting. You can change your mind halfway through, which I did. But this image is great for all different occasions. I came in with a little bit of yellow and a little bit of red to accent the beak and the hearts, and these are the birds cut out. I added some double-sided foam tape to the sentiment border and for the birds. So I'm just using flat double-sided tape for the white background panel. And then I come in and add the birds. They pop up nicely along with the sentiment. And there you go. As easy as can be and so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you take a moment to like and follow me. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.